Allah warns against sectarianism in Islam. Surah Al-Imran verse 105. Translation. And be not as those who divided their religion and differed among themselves after the clear proofs had come to them. And those will have a great punishment. This verse admonishes believers against falling into the same error as those who divided their religion and engaged in disputes after receiving clear guidance from Allah. It warns of severe punishment for those who cause division and discord within Islam and the Muslim community despite having access to the clear signs and revelations from Allah, particularly through the Quran. Messages. 1. Avoidance of sectarianism. Muslims are cautioned against falling into sectarianism and group divisions within the religion. Sectarian conflicts and divisions weaken the Muslim community and detract from its ability to fulfill its collective duties and obligations. 2. Adherence to Allah's guidance. Believers are reminded of the importance of adhering to the guidance provided in the Quran and the teachings of Allah. The Quran serves as a clear source of divine guidance, and deviation from its teachings can lead to division and disunity. 3. Unity of the Ummah. The verse underscores the importance of maintaining unity within the Muslim community. It highlights the detrimental effects of division and discord among believers, emphasizing the need for solidarity and cooperation. 4. Consequences of disunity. The verse warns of severe punishment for those who create discord and division within religion, Islam, and the Muslim community. Such individuals will face the consequences of their actions, both in this life and in the hereafter. Key lesson. The key lesson from this verse is the importance of unity, cooperation, and adherence to the guidance provided in the Quran by Allah. Believers are encouraged to strive for unity and solidarity within the Muslim community, avoiding actions and behaviors that lead to division and discord. By upholding the principles of unity and adhering to the teachings of Islam, believers can contribute to the strength and resilience of the Ummah.